Kobe Bryant x Nike Air Force 1 Low Court Purple is a bold tribute set to drop in fall 2025 for $130. Featuring a striking purple snakeskin upper, the design reflects Kobe's fierce spirit on the court and pays homage to Lakers' pride. Special details include the lace dubrae engraved with Forever, Kobe's number 8 stitched on the heel, and the legendary Mamba logo for authenticity. Though built on the timeless Air Force 1 Low silhouette, this edition stands apart, designed for true fans, sneakerheads, and anyone embodying the Mamba mentality. More than just a sneaker, it blends Kobe's legacy with modern street style, making it a must-have collectible. With its unique mix of heritage, symbolism, and fashion, the court purple strikes as a powerful reminder of Bryant's lasting influence both in basketball and beyond.